How to change mockup on Printful. Hi guys, welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can do it easily. So first of all, you have to log into your Printful account. Once you are here, you have to go for the stores under the file library. Once you are here, you have to select your desired store. In my case, I am using the Wix. Now scroll down to your products and select any of this product you want to change the mockup and click on edit. Once you are here, you have to again scroll down to this little arrow on the top right of your product and simply click on this edit button, which is saying change the product variants, and it will load the editor of your product. So once you are here, as you can see, choose color. Now you have to simply select your desired color that you want to change of. So in my case, I am going for the white. Once you are done, you have to click on continue and save your product. So that's how basically you can change mockups on Printful.